In just a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $700 to $1,000 using a hidden website that no one is really talking about. This website will help you make a lot of money. All you need to do is get on your phone or a laptop, sign up to watch videos, take surveys, and get paid. One survey on this website can pay you up to $50. And the more surveys and videos you watch, the more money you're going to be making using this website. If you complete 3 to 4 surveys on this website, you could earn up to $200, which is absolutely mind-blowing. This is not a scam, it is real, as long as you are ready to put in the work, and you'll be able to make that much money. This will help you to get that extra income coming in that you're looking for. But before we start, welcome to my channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now, let's get back to the video. First, go to this website right here, gg2u.org. Once you're on this website, you can see right here, earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So this website pays you in coins, which you can later convert into dollars for just trying out new games and answering quick survey questions. This website right here will pay you in PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. To sign up, all you have to do is this. Put in your first name, your email address, your username, choose your password, and choose your country. Click right here and agree to the terms and service, and then click right here where it says sign up for GG2U. Once you do that, you'll land on this page right here, welcome to GG2U. And as you can see right here, we'll credit you $1 for every 100 coins. Once you reach $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase account, or just get gift cards. So to start earning money right away on this website, just scroll down and click right here. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. So remember, if you make 100 coins, you get paid $1. So right here, we have 450 coins to be made by you. All you need to do is to download this game right here and play the game for some time, and you'll be making $4.50 for just one game. If you scroll down another 400 coins offer right here, all you need to do is install this app on your phone for some time and you'll be making 400 coins, which is another $4. Scroll down again and right here we have 250 coins. All you have to do is sign up for Amazon Prime Video and you'll be earning 250 coins, which is $2.50. So if we scroll down to the very end of this page, you will see a note right here. Some of these offers are available for some limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. So if you want to make more money on this website, just click right here where it says, I'm done with this page. Just click on that and you will land on this page right here. As you can see, this is my dashboard right here. And if you look right here, I have been credited $1 for free just for signing up. So all you need to do is to make another extra $6 and you'll be able to withdraw your money. Remember to cash out your money, you need to make at least $7. So if you look right here, you'll see that there are a lot of other companies on this website for you to make money from. We have Offer Toro. We have gaming offers. We have AdGate Media. We have special offers. We have AdSend Media. Scroll down. We have surveys. We have Revenue, Universal, and more. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. So if you scroll all the way through, you'll see that there are a lot of offers on this website for you to carry out and make money. All you need to do is click on it and it will open. For example, let's click on this one right here, AdSend Media. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. As you can see, earn coins by completing any of the offers below. This page is categorized into featured, free, surveys, shopping, free trials, sign up, and mobile apps. As you can see right here, unlock our high-paying surveys by creating a market research profile. So if you scroll down right here, you can make 198 coins, you can make 180 coins, you can also make 84 coins and 330 coins. Scroll down, you can make 114 coins, you can make 201 coins, you can make 330 coins. Scroll down again, you can make 134 coins, you can make 63 coins. Scroll down some more, you can make 73 coins here. Scroll down again, you can make 126 coins. So if you keep scrolling on this page more and more, you'll see that there are a lot of offers on this page for you to go and carry out and make a lot of money. All you need to do is take your time and carry out as many offers as possible. Remember, the more coins you earn, the more money you'll make. If you go back to the home page right here and we click on Offer Toro, we are going to land on this page. On this page, we have the offers section. We have the mobile apps section, and we have the desktop, and we have surveys. And if you look right down here, you can make up to 905 coins for just this one offer. Right here, you can make 259 coins, and right over here, you can make up to 2,652 coins. Remember, 100 coins equals $1. That means if you complete this particular task, you can make up to $26.52, and that's not all, guys. If you scroll down here is another 1,517 coins, which is $15.17, but again, I want to let you know that most of these offers requires that you sign up and make a deposit, so if you don't want to spend money on the offers, all you need to do is carry out the offers that are free. There are a lot of other free offers on this page. So if we scroll down again right here, 216 coins, all for free. If we keep scrolling through this website, we're going to see a lot of offers on this page, and most of the offers are free to carry out. Right here is another 1,500 coins, which is $15. All you need to do is open up the game and finish level 12 within 11 days, and you get paid. Another one right here, Family Island. And you can make up to 2,069 coins, which is $20.69, free, simple, and easy. All you need to do is keep on taking these offers and making the coins, and you will be making a lot of money using this website. Remember, the more offers you take, the more coins you make, the more money you get. So make sure you go through all these offers and make the best out of it. So again, if we go back to the home page of this site, we are again going to see more offers to choose from. So let's check out this one right here, Revenue Universe. Once you open it up, you'll land on this page right here. As you can see right here, you'll earn 875 coins, which is $8.75. All you need to do is just sign up to crypto.com and confirm your account. If we scroll all the way down right here, you will make 5,250 coins, which is up to $52.50. This is awesome, guys. Right here, another 1,575 coins, which is $15.75. Guys, this is a lot of money to make. All you need to do is choose from the offers and you'll be making money. If you scroll down, the more offers you are going to see. Back to the home page, just like before, there are companies offering countless offers for you to choose from. All you need to do is peek and look at the ones that you can do, and you'll be making a lot of money. And that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, you'll be updated with my new content. I'll see you in the next video.